Okay, so hi dear Libras, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 28th of April till the 4th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love 30 Days Challenge course. Links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Okay, Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. Love looks pretty on you, pretty on me. We have the Ten of Swords. There's a sense of defeat here. Okay, there's a sense of defeat here in the situation. Whatever happened. This person is feeling like the worst is over, even if this is something that was very ugly or that was very not very good to deal with. This person is finally feeling the worst is over with a sense of defeat. Okay, let's clarify the Ten of Swords here on. Let's clarify this. We have the Seven of Cups, the Nine of Swords, and the Four of Swords. See, there's a lot of emotional confusion. Not confusion like mentally, emotional confusion or emotional ups and downs. There's a lot of this energy of sleepless nights. So this person is feeling like, okay, they cannot change whatever happened. All they can do about the situation is detach themselves and heal themselves properly. So basically, in whatever happened between you and this particular person in the situation, they are feeling they should heal and release it properly. Because again, the worst is over and all they feel right now is to heal themselves properly. Okay, let's see what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey. Three of Pentacles. So from your side, you feel like there's a sense of collaboration or partnership. Maybe you're still trying to fix something in a particular situation that might be gone. I'm sorry about my nails. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles. Who? We have the Eight of Cups, the Knight of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. So you are in this energy of moving on from a particular partnership or collaboration, but still keeping your heart open and feeling like with each passing day, you are feeling better and better and better. Sorry. And everything is going to be fine. Yeah, I also spit. I'm also human. Okay. So you feel like with each passing day, you are going to be better and better. And you feel like putting in the effort and energy in the right direction. Meanwhile, keeping your heart open to a particular person or situation too. Okay. That's what you're feeling. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey, Libra, or about the situation? High Priestess. Their intention is to listen to their intuition as much as they can and not to create any scene here. Okay. Basically, this person wants to remain silent and work on themselves. Let me clarify the High Priestess. We have the Death card, the Judgment, and the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, this person is kind of not in the mood of coming together, coming back together, or having a restart or something. And I don't see this person as hopeless or somebody who's in a very negative mindset. They're accepting the situation for what it is, they're accepting you for who you are, and they're just letting the divine decide. Right now, their whole energy is focused on moving on and healing and giving themselves the time and space to get out of the situation completely. Okay. Energetically, emotionally, mentally, everything wise. Let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey, Libra. Five of Swords. So from your side, you just want to get out of this mental jail. Just want to get out of this taking stress all the time about a situation that you cannot change or do anything about. Definitely want to come out of the stressful phase of your life where you are continuously mentally in jail regarding something or someone. Let's clarify the Five of Swords here. We have the Hanged Man, the Seven of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles. Hmm. You don't want to keep yourself stuck in a limbo. You don't want to keep yourself stuck in a situation, or keep waiting for something or someone to show up and improve or do something for you. You just want to put in the effort and energy in the right direction from your side, in the things and the situations and people that you know are going to be good for you, or you are going to get something good in return if you are going to put some effort in something or someone. So you definitely don't want to wait for something or someone to show up or grow up or do something the way you want them to do it. You just want to definitely go on your way, go on your path, and do make something happen in your own individual life in a productive way. Okay, honey, let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 4th of May. What could be the possible outcome here? Empress, it's like your card only, Libra and Taurus. So there's a sense of growth and expansion. There's a sense of, okay, being creative or getting in touch with your feminine side, maybe. Let's clarify the Empress. Good. This thing is kind of over a long time ago. Something was happening like from a long time in the situation, and both of you knew it, that it's going to end up like this only. Now, but the situation here is kind of taking a turn into like, okay, let's tune into ourselves. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Strength card, the Two of Pentacles. Okay, there's going to be a sense of, okay, let's move in a particular direction, but let's take a step back because I'm not sure. It could be you trying to reach out to somebody, or starting maybe a project or something, but holding back this energy of going in that direction. That seems very good, by the way. That feels very good because of the confusion, because of this energy of, yes, I want to go there, then you're like not ready, then you're like ready, not ready. So because of this confusion of not ready, 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 not ready, you will not be able to go in a particular direction, even if it seems and feels very, very beautiful. Again, the roles can be reversed also. It can be you, it can be them, it can be both of you playing around with energies but not doing anything about it, even if it feels right to do that. The first step is very, very difficult, and the both of you are kind of scared to take the first step, especially you, Libra, towards whatever it is. Maybe a totally different person, maybe a new venture, new job, new career opportunity, maybe towards self love, or maybe a specific person that you're still stuck on energetically. Take it how it resonates with you. But there's this energy of ready, not ready, ready, not ready from actually both the sides. For you, the guidance here is the Seven of Cups. The more you are going to play, let this confusion get over you, your true innermost feelings, the more it's going to confuse the hell out of you in the 3D world as well. Try to be very, very clear in what you really want when it comes to your love and relationship area, or especially when it comes to your heart and soul, what your heart and soul wants, and start working on that. So let's say, for example, your heart wants a particular person to be with you for the rest of your life, but that person, that energy doesn't want to be with you anymore. Try to accept the fact that even if even if you guys are not together, your feelings are still valid, and feeling like this is still valid. You don't have to like dig this feeling and suppress these feelings. You have to feel the feelings and go through them, and be in this conscious energy of that the other person, other energy also have a free will. Okay, so you should respect their free will and their boundaries and their energies too. That's how you deal with things. Let's face it. Don't suppress it, or make it a game of, oh my god, always me, it sucks, and always god punishes me, da da da. Universe never punishes anybody. It gives you the lessons and the blessings so that we can grow spiritually. All the human beings that takes birth on earth birth on earth are here to evolve spiritually. Some of us do that consciously, and then that's why we are called spiritual people. Some of us refuse to do that, and that's why we are always stuck. Sad but true. Anyways, so thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.